We'll continue states of matter. There are three states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. Solid, liquid, and gas. We can see that matter around us exists in three different states: solid, liquid, and gas. A rubber band changes shape under force and regains the same shape when the force is removed. If excessive force is applied, it breaks. The shape of a individual sugar salt crystal remains fixed whether we take it in our hand or put in a plate or a jar. A sponge has minute holes at which air is trapped. When you press it, air is expelled out. That's why we are able to compress. We observe that liquids have no fixed shape but have fixed volume. They take up the shape of the container in which they are kept. Liquid flow and change shape, so they are not rigid but can be called fluid. Activities 1.4 and 5, so that solid and liquids can diffuse, solids and liquids can diffuse into liquids. The gases from atmosphere can diffuse and dissolve in water. These gases, especially oxygen and carbon dioxide, are essential for survival. Aquatic animals and plants. All living creatures will need to breathe for survival. The aquatic organisms can breathe underwater due to the presence of dissolved oxygen in water. Thus we may conclude that oxygen in water. Thus we may conclude that solid, liquid, and gas and diffuse into liquid. The rate of diffusion is higher than that of solids. This is due to the fact that in the liquid state particles move freely and have greater space between each other as compared to particles. Have you observed a balloon seller filling a large number of balloons from a single cylinder of gas? Enquire from him how many balloons he is able to fill in one cylinder. Ask him which gas does he use. We have observed that gases are highly compressible as compared to the solids and liquids. The liquid petroleum gas, oxygen supplied to the hospitals. Compressed natural gas is used as a fuel these days in vehicles. Due to its high compressibility, large volume of gas can be compressed. We come to know what is being called raw, cooked in the kitchen without even entering there by the smell that reaches our nostrils. How does this smell reach us? The particles of aroma of food mixed with the particles of air and spread from kitchen and reaches even farther away. The smell of hot cooked food reaches away in seconds compared to the with this rate of diffusion of solids and liquids. In gaseous state, the particles move about randomly at high speed. And large space between them. Gases show the property of diffusing into other gases. The particles move about randomly at high speed. Due to this random movement, the particles hit each other and also walls of the which are exerted by the gas. Because of this force exerted by particles permeate walls the container. Thank you.